Now, once we are done with step number one, that means we have selected our backdrop and we have selected our sprite. Now it is the time to do the block coding part for the sprite. Now remember, we are making use of Scratch MIT website, not CS First website. So you are able to see only Scratch is written over here, not Scratch for CS First. Now starting with the coding part. Now you are all aware about the coding part. The first coding part is that we have to select the sprite. The sprite is already selected. You are able to see the faded sprite over here. Come in the events block. In the events block, you have to click when flag is clicked. Now I go in control block. In control block, I will repeat forever. Under forever, I will select another control block, that is if then. And in if then, you are able to see a diamond. So for the diamond, I will be going in the sensing block. In sensing block, you are able to see key space pressed. So first I'm making it up arrow. Then I will be going under looks and I will be changing the costume. We are very much aware that while changing the costume, we are able to give the sprite certain kind of animations, like the sprite is under motion. Now, where I'll go under motion, and then under motion, you are able to see over here change Y by 10. So let's see whether it is working or not. Up arrow. Yes, it is working. When I press up arrow, you are able to see. Now let's do it for down arrow. Now when I click, we don't have to code for down arrow again. Where if block is there, kindly right click over there, duplicate it, and just place it over here. Now when I press down arrow, for down arrow, it should be -5 and this should be 5. The choice is yours. You can give 5 or 10. Run it one more time. See over here, when I'm pressing the down key, the sprite is coming down. When I'm pressing the up key, the sprite is moving at the top. And over here, you're required to change the costume also. Sorry, the costume has to be changed over here. So when it is moving up and when it is coming down. See, you are able to see the motion over here. Now, we're required to do the same motion for right as well as left. Right click, duplicate, place it after the if, when right arrow is pressed, and this time I do not require y-axis, instead I require x-axis. So now let's run the code one more time. You are able to see, but my sprite is not coming back. It is moving up, it is moving down, it is moving forward, but it is not moving at the back. So for the back, again what I will do, right click if block, duplicate it, place it just below the if has been ended, and over here left arrow. Remember that we have to come in the reverse order. So for reverse, it is -10. Now run the sprite. You are able to see all the sprite, all the functions are working up, down, right, left. All are working correctly. So this is the first part. That means we have coded for the sprite.